welcome to today's vlog. Good morning. It is Saturday morning here, and it is staycation day. I decided to do some mental health healing for myself, and for me personally, I really needed some vacation. And for me, that looks like I need to see the water. I need to get some sleep. I need a massage. You have to do what's best for you and your health. Enjoy some good food. Look at the sunrise. So that's what vacation looks like for me. And I need some to recharge because I think this may be my last warm vacation here in Florida, because Tuesday is going to be November, so it's starting to cool off just a little bit. The humidity is going down, and I said it's perfect to have a staycation. So come along and see what I do. It's probably going to be broken up into like 3 or 4 vlogs, and probably called Getting There to where we go. So come along for the ride and see what I do on my staycation. Keep watching. Okay, all packed up, and let's get on the road.
Thank you so much.
It's so beautiful outside.
Get yourself up. Yes, there you go. Cheers.